All right, so here's one where we can do the same thing with voting. So we could have a person solve it. I'm not good with.
Three.
No, I want to figure it out.
All right.
Right.
So it'd be. So I would go 2x
5.
plus 5 equals 11. Okay. Then I have to go 2x.
That
Minus
equals
5 on both
11 minus
sides.
5 is 6.
So I go 5
5 by 2.
equals half it.
3.
Well, that's what I was trying to do.
So kids would have a tablet in front of them. They'd solve the problem, but here's where the interactivity would come in.
Oh, 5. Yeah.
Am I right?
There it is.
Am I
See, I
correct?
was doing-
Yes
I knew
or
what I
no?
was doing.
I'm going to have you vote.
No, I was negative 5.
Survey says yes or no. And it should have yes or no up here on your screen. So this is where kids, instead of saying, how many think you're right? Raise your hand. You really get that accurate representation. And it really, when you think about it, when you use, yeah, there you go. Okay, good, I did it right. I could have done it wrong, I didn't see it. But you get the idea. Kids are assessing themselves, and then they give that opportunity. If they do get it wrong, students can explain why they didn't do it correctly, so they're reteaching the concept that they're trying to learn. So once again, it allows discussion, and it's much more accurate, because really what you're seeing is if you do something, you could even throw in a follow-up question and say, do you guys understand this or not? Yes or no? And if you see, oh man, 50% doesn't get it, okay, we got to revisit this right now before we move on to something else. So it's formative assessment instead of waiting for the quiz to be sent out to them, and then they have to, fill it out, and then you got to get to it from all the other papers from all your other periods, right? Here you can do it immediately and get those results right in the just-in-time philosophy of teaching that concept.